luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Gorelia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and do
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. Well, I'll do what I can to help out. No pilots? Autopilot engaged. Weapons engaged. Now let's go get that coaxium. Keep shooting! They're blocked onto us! Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe I did something for Hondo. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Harpoons, quickly! You're running out of time! It's harder than it looks. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.